Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, hey, I'm Sandy. I make beauty content on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a video, and follow me on my Instagram. That's where basically you get a little bit more personal with me, as well as I do a lot more makeup looks on there, so check it out. And of course, check out the description box for all of my other social media. So as you can tell, I have no makeup and I probably look like crap, but you know, I'm gonna be doing a soft girl look, and I'm a little bit nervous about this because let's be real, the soft girl aesthetic is very pretty, but I don't think I suit it. Now, when I was like researching about a lot of soft girl aesthetics, like, you know, their makeup, their fashion, all that stuff, I realized that a lot of the girls were really pretty, and also they have super straight hair. So like, I was like, I don't know if my hair is gonna suit. And I actually put these little clips in that I bought at like a flea market, so they don't necessarily look exactly like the soft girl aesthetic, but it's okay. I need to really put some makeup on my face right now, so we're gonna go ahead with actually a BB cream, and this one is from Misha, the Blank Perfect Blank BB cream in number 23, as well as the Milky Cream concealer from G9 Skin, and this one is in number 2. So I noticed that a lot of the girls usually go for like a medium coverage foundation, but because I've been having good skin day, let's not jinx myself, I, you know, want to stick with just BB cream for now. And I'm basically just doing my eyebrows as usual. I didn't really change much about my eyebrow. I noticed that a lot of the girls usually just do whatever they want with their brows, so they just follow the natural like shape of them and fill them in. So now that I have foundation and eyebrows, we're gonna go and warm up the face. I noticed that they don't really do too much contouring. It's very like settle on the face, so we're just gonna bronze up a little bit with the Fenty Beauty warmth bronzer in Island Teen. Now when it comes to the eyeshadows, basically they either do like very neutral eyes, or they do super colorful like orange or pinks eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go for the neutral eyes just because I do want to play up more with like my cheeks later on. I'm gonna actually be using the Sunshine palette from, I believe this is also Misha, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. I don't know what color it is. Sandcastle. I really like this color because it really blends with like the natural eyes, like the natural shade of my eyelids, but like more evened out. So it kind of works as like a daily eyeshadow if you're ever looking for something that looks natural. I'm trying to like stick with matte, so I'm gonna go ahead with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Punch Me, I think it is. To make the eyes a little bit more emphasized but still soft, I'm gonna go with 10%. I'm gonna add a little bit of some color to my face, so I'm gonna probably accent a little bit on the inner corners with Rusted, I believe. So hopefully it doesn't ruin the look. Okay, not bad, not bad. So for the eyeliner and the rest of the eyes, I noticed that they really go with like a more thicker eyeliner and really big lashes. A lot of them either have lash extension or they wear fake lashes, and maybe they're just naturally gifted with very beautiful thick lashes. But I'm gonna just basically do what I have and apply mascara, and as much mascara as possible to make them very luscious, as well as, you know, create some eyeliner look. So hopefully it looks good. I could put lashes, but I'm not gonna really do that because I'm lazy. So yeah, I think we kind of made the lashes look very long without putting fake lashes on, so we might have accomplished something. The part where I'm super excited about, and it is blush, because I noticed that they wear a lot of blush, which I could totally relate because I love using blush. For this look, I'm actually gonna go with the Nature Republic blush palette, and this one is, doesn't say the color, but it's this shade right here, and hopefully it shows up on my skin tone, because like Korean, you know, makeup and stuff, usually it's very sheer, very soft, so sometimes it's not that noticeable, especially on more like tan to deep complexion. Oh my god, yes, it's working, it's working. Okay, I think that's enough blush, I hope. I'm gonna put some here. Go and do the highlight. I noticed that they always have like this really cute like dot on their nose and very like aesthetic looking. Now I don't have anything like silvery or like, I guess, pearl-like that they do, so I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome one in Molten Gold 100. So I do want to add a little bit more accent to my eyes using this 3CE Mason Kitsune glitter, and it's in Petal. Now be careful whenever you put glitter around your eyes, because you know it can be harmful, especially if it gets in your eye, since the glitter particles are not very sensitive or fragile, so please be careful. When it comes to the soft girls, I noticed that their lips usually are glossy or very like soft in a way. I mean, the whole look is supposed to be soft, but like, you know what I mean. So we're gonna first go with the ColourPop lippy sticks, and we're just gonna pat the lips. Like, we're not gonna like completely put a lot of pigmentation, just pat. I forgot a lip line, so we're gonna put a lip liner real quick. It doesn't make sense the order, but who cares. So we're just using this lip liner from Etude House, and it's in doesn't say. I'm gonna put a little bit of a lip gloss, and this one is the Style Nanda Glaze Lip Tint, and it's a colored lip gloss, but it works for this look. And to make it just a little bit more glossy, I'm going to go ahead with the Innisfree Plumping Lip Glow. Of course, we are not done, because I want to do a little bit something special. I'm going to put some stickers on my face. And these are basically, I guess, 3D stickers. They're called PVC stickers. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Got all the stickers on. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. But wow, I think I nailed it, girls and guys out there. I think I nailed it. I know usually they wear like heart earrings, but I don't think I have any. So I hope you guys like this trying soft girl aesthetic look. I even put some effort on my clothes. I put this like only pink item that I have. I mean, I know that soft girls wear, of course, a very different kinds of variety of clothing, but a lot of them tend to wear pinks and very soft colors. And there's one like picture that I saw that they wear like white with pink together often, so It's the only thing that I got. And I'm wearing sweatpants underneath. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video, and I might be doing an Instabody one, so check it out. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and of course go follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna take a couple pictures and post them on there, so look forward to it. And I love you guys. Take care of your health, and let's meet again. So don't forget to hit the notification button. Bye.